Today is New Year's Day 2020. I'm Jessica Stearns. I've been flying airplanes for 63 plus years. Been a flight instructor for 51 years. Today I'm taking my Piper Cub out over the Everglades, take some photographs of some of the Everglades cypress stands, pine stands, the water, the ponds. I've been watching the amount of scum that's been building on them over the years, see which ones are still clear and which ones have algae on them now. But I've been flying professionally for most of my life, both in the Air Force and as an airline pilot, retiring as captain. And I love flying my 1945 Piper J3 Cub, which started out as an L4 for the Army, but the war came to an end. I've owned the airplane now for 20 years, and I enjoy flying it because it's pure basic flying. Stick and rudder, nothing fancy, and just a pleasure to fly.